Who says you need to pack your bags for a luxurious getaway? The perfect vacation spot is waiting in your backyard, ready to transform into a rustic yet sophisticated haven. Imagine walking out your door into a space where the earthy charm of wood blends effortlessly with plush comforts and elegant touches. Whether it's a warm summer evening or a crisp autumn day, this backyard will be your retreat, offering serenity, style, and a hint of adventure all at once. And the best part? It's easier to create than you think. To start, focus on the essence of rustic luxury. It's all about blending natural elements with high-end details. Begin with the ground beneath your feet, as it sets the stage for everything else. A simple deck made from reclaimed wood can provide that charming, aged look while staying eco-friendly and cost-effective. Natural stone pavers or textured concrete stamped to mimic flagstone can create a polished yet earthy base if a deck isn't feasible. Add an outdoor rug in neutral tones to anchor the space and make it feel cosy without overwhelming the natural aesthetic. Next, create depth and structure by introducing vertical elements. A pergola with exposed beams instantly evokes rustic charm while providing functionality and a sense of enclosure. Choose cedar or redwood for their natural durability and rich colour, and let climbing plants like wisteria or grapevines wind their way around the structure. The interplay of sunlight filtering through greenery creates a soft, dappled effect that feels both luxurious and grounded. For added warmth, drape lightweight linen curtains along the sides. They'll billow gently in the breeze, giving the space a relaxed, romantic vibe. Seating is key to turning this space into your personal retreat. Opt for oversized armchairs or sectionals with deep cushions in earthy tones like beige, olive, or terracotta. To layer in some luxury, add soft throws and textured pillows, mixing materials like linen, faux fur and hand-woven cotton for a tactile, inviting setup. Lighting plays a transformative role in any backyard makeover. To capture that vacation-like glow, use a mix of warm and subtle lighting options. String lights hung from the pergola beams or woven through nearby trees bring a magical touch after sunset. Complement them with lantern-style sconces along your fence or garden paths, and consider placing LED candles in clusters on your coffee table or along the edges of the seating area. The flickering light will enhance the ambience, creating a cosy, intimate setting. Now let's talk about greenery. Plants are the soul of any rustic luxury design, and the key is to keep them lush but intentional. Start with foundational greenery. Think evergreen shrubs or tall grasses that add structure and stay vibrant year-round. Next, layer in flowering plants like hydrangeas, lavender or daisies for pops of colour that feel natural and soothing. For a touch of the exotic, consider potted olive trees or palms, which add a Mediterranean flair. And don't overlook herbs. Basil, rosemary and thyme can be both decorative and functional, filling the air with their fresh aroma while being conveniently close for outdoor cooking. Speaking of cooking, an outdoor kitchen or dining area can elevate your backyard from a simple retreat to a full-fledged vacation destination. Even if space is tight, a compact grill station with a butcher block counter for prep work can bring gourmet vibes to your backyard. No luxury backyard is complete without a signature feature that makes it truly unforgettable. A fire pit is a classic choice, offering warmth and a gathering spot for conversation or toasting marshmallows. Choose a design that complements your rustic theme, like a stone or cast iron fire pit with clean lines. If you prefer something cooler, consider a small water feature. A bubbling fountain or a miniature waterfall can provide a soothing soundtrack and visual interest without taking up too much space. As you design, don't forget the small details that tie everything together. layering textures and materials is the hallmark of a well-executed rustic luxury design. Woven baskets for storage, ceramic planters in muted tones, and even a vintage ladder repurposed as a towel rack for pool days can add functional charm. Finally, address privacy to make your backyard feel like a true escape. Bamboo screens, tall hedges, or even a row of ornamental grasses can create a natural barrier between you and the outside world. Draped fabric panels or trellises with climbing vines are another option, adding beauty while shielding your space from prying eyes. As your backyard transformation takes shape, take a moment to appreciate what you've created, a space that feels like stepping into another world, yet is only steps away from your home. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about crafting a space that nurtures your soul. Where you can unwind, connect with loved ones, or simply sit in silence and let the stresses of the day melt away. This rustic meets luxury backyard isn't just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you to make it happen. Start small, let your creativity guide you, and watch as your outdoor space transforms into a destination that rivals the best vacation spots. And when your friends ask how you pulled it off, you can smile and tell them it's all about blending the right elements with a little bit of heart. If this inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, share it with someone who might need a little backyard magic. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and ideas to elevate every corner of your home. Your dream space is closer than you think.